Hi, Dean from KDA here. Today I'm going to tell you about an amazing bit of software called SpeedKit. This could make your websites load twice as fast, if not faster. This is the same software multinational retailers such as Decathlon use, and now you can use it on all of our new hosting packages. The software gives you easy access to CDN with no changes required to your site and makes the use of latest technologies such as service workers. It can even optimize your images and videos on the fly. Now that's amazing. Now I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to set up SpeedKit. So first we need to log into our WordPress website. Click on the WordPress. Our control panel will log you straight in. Just click the login button. From here, locate plugins, click Add New. Now we want to go to the search box and look for SpeedKit. Once it appears, click Install. Once it's installed, you'll then need to click Activate. Then we navigate back to the control panel, click on Websites and Domains. Now locate SpeedKit in the bottom corner and click on it. Now we need to click on Activate. This may take a short while to run. SpeedKit has now been activated. A speed test is now being done on your website. Once this is done, the results will be displayed. I'm sure you'll agree, that was pretty painless and super quick. The results were amazing and speak for themselves. As always, I'm Dean from KDA Web Services, here to help.